Carson is working in the shop. Got the tank out of his Jeep. Him and Granddad did that. He's changing his lug nuts right now. IndyCar race is on. You getting it done, Knucklehead? Let me see. There you go. Spline nuts going on.
I mean, it's great company. It's going to be a tough program to pull off. Look how Pottle Wood was a little bit wider in that last corner. Marcus Erickson really able to
there we go. On to the next one.
Like I said, I want to.
All right. We're going to try it. You ready? I heard the pump. I'm going to prime it a couple times. I hear the pump priming.
Yeah, it's 15 seconds probably.
Almost.
Get that air out of there.
Yeah. There, let me sit in it. Check engine lights on, but it's idling.
Engine lights on?
Yeah, we'll scan it later. But it's alive.
A little rough.
Yeah, Carson,
Yeah, what's up?
it's alive.
I know it is.
Be happy.
Obviously.
I'm gonna blip it.
Yeah.
Smooths out when you give it a little throttle. It's got good oil pressure. It's got good oil pressure. Like 50 PSI.
Radiator cap off, get sucked it in.
Yeah. And we'll scan it. We won't scan it today. We'll scan it. I can scan it this week. Well, the brake pedal feels like it has. All right.
Probably try and get all the air out of it. Yeah.
There's no letters.
It's not happy. What? I know, but I know where everything is. Make sure I don't hit the T-bird. Okay. We're good.
Why are you pressing those?
I hit the thing.
Pressing buttons.
I press buttons. It's just whoever put this wrong fucking steering wheel on it. Hey, child.
Yeah.
Your Jeep runs.
Yeah.
The
I
fuck,
should drive
Chuck?
it.
Not yet.
Yeah,
God, we put like 5 gallons in it. It's hardly any gas.
It's turned on.
It works. It's shitty, but it works.
You can't hear anything.
I don't want to bother with that right now.
Oh shit.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh shit.
The throttle sticks. I think it's got a vacuum leak. Hey, look at it. It's going on its own.
I don't think we're leaking anything.
No, it's got a vacuum leak. That would be an air issue.
Oh wow, that's a bunch of water.
Yeah, it's from because it rained the other day and didn't have a roof. All right. Carson's Jeep runs. Carson, you happy your Jeep runs? Ow! You happy your Jeep runs?
Yeah.
Good. Vacuum leak. Which, ironically, I only looked here because I scanned it, and we have Chrysler. Put it on Chrysler P0443 evap emission system purge control valve circuit. Well, that's ironic because that's part of the evap purge stuff. So get that stuff figured out. The line for that. There's the charcoal canister. All the purge solenoid and everything are right here. So I'm gonna check the voltage here. I'll check for here too. But we replace all that stuff and we should be smoothly sailing. 23-year-old rubber. Okay, so I've tried to put it in reverse twice now. And when I do, it does that. Sure, because I fixed the vacuum leak, it's got to relearn. So I'm giving it throttle now. It's backed out now. It's sort of learned. Taking off on its own. Oh, damn it. Fucking. Can't wait to put the right steering wheel on this thing. But still low, it was idling. Just trying to relearn. Got a surge. I'm sure it's had a vacuum leak for a long time. Because I did find on that end that was busted, it was plastic and it was kind of ground off and had a pinhole in it, and then the other end was cracked too. It was a rubber coupler. So anyway, it's definitely surging. Now it's at least not driving me down the street. Yesterday it was accelerating pretty good right here, so that's better. Better. Definitely better than it was yesterday. Sure holds on to first gear. It's still in first. I'm gonna try to shift it manually. Not accelerating down the street anymore, which is good. So now that I stop, it's almost. That's first. First. second on the shifter. And it has not shifted anywhere. So it's in first still. I put it up in drive. It's not shifting. It's just locked in. There, finally shifted. It didn't shift to like 40 miles an hour. There's first. And now it's stuck at first again. Neutral. Drive. It's in park now.